to the first mod video on this channel. You know, this mod's probably gonna put like 300 brake onto your car. I'm just gonna quickly show you guys what I'm talking about. This shit is great.
What the glad is peak. I was Astro bopping on up block, family up playing hide and seek. Out here, man, is finders keepers. Run up on the plug, what I find I keep. In guns and money we trust, where shit gets dropped, my mind's at ease. Came up this side and chose that side, my nigga, that's fine by me.
Yes, I have bought LED lights for my car. This shit's going to look... So pretty much, we're gonna try my best to install these lights into my Corsa today. There's 4 lights in here, so we're gonna do the passenger seat, my seat, and we're gonna do the 2 back seats. We're just gonna jump straight into it. I can see we have the 4 lights here. We have the controller here, so yes, you can actually change the colors on this remote. At night time, this is gonna make you jizz. So pretty much with this, I need to find a way to run this wire, like literally from under here, like down to here, and then down to the... Bro, this shit's gonna be... I don't even know what to do.
Who's that? What's that? I don't know what I'm doing, but
So far, I've stuck the first one on under here, and I've tried to run the wire, kind of like tuck it in on the back here. I've put the passenger LED lights on now. I'm basically gonna use this tape to like shorten the wires, basically, so it's not like all like this, basically. Look, I'm just gonna do it, okay? All right, we've got some progress with this whole thing. This shit is stressful, mate. I've been in here, yeah, pretty much trying to have a wank. Basically, what we've done now, we've installed the passenger one, we've installed the driver's one. We've tried to hide the wires, you know. I don't think any of you guys can see the wires from here, like at all, until you come like here, and you can kind of see the wires. Anyway, I'm gonna continue with the rear ones now. Fuck me. So I've hopped in the back now. We have the back ones. Pretty much what I'm thinking is to put the back ones kind of like here, so the light will shine like against here. I think that'll look sick. So pretty much I'm gonna install this one and do the same on the other side, and then we're gonna get back to the flipping wires, yeah, and try and fix that, because the wires are pretty much the biggest problem with this whole setup. The wires are gonna be stressful, but you know, your boy's gonna figure this out. I'm not gonna lie though, my car looking quite nice from the back seat. I'm just saying it. All right, so we have put the back ones on now. We have the back one there and we have the back one there, so the lights will protrude out. The front ones are done. Now I need to tidy up the wires. After I tidy up the wires, I'm going to show you guys the final result. This has been a stressful video. I've been filming for probably like 6 hours. Why lying for? Bro, you can't even see. You can see a little bit of wire, but you can barely see it, bro. The only thing is over here. I just need to try and get these wires tidy. I'm not going to lie, I'm kind of gassed, bro. This actually does not look bad. So I've pretty much finished installing the LED lights now. We've done the front ones, we've done the rear ones, and now I'm just going to show you guys what it looks like. I'm going to show you guys what it looks like at dark, but I got to wait until it's dark. It's still light out. So I'm going to show you guys what it looks like now, and then I'm going to show you guys what it looks like in the dark. We got the red. Oh my, look at the shoes. Hey yo, that looks hard, I ain't gonna lie. So we got the red and we got the side ones, we got the water red, and then green now, you know, as you guys can see, you know, all the green, and then we got blue. Oh, I like the blue. Oh, mate. All right, we got green. Wait, we got white. You know what I'm saying? That ain't bad. That ain't bad. You know what I'm saying? That ain't bad. Orange. All right, you can't see. The thing is, you can't really see it that much. In the nighttime, it's gonna flip and pop, mate. It's gonna look sick. Purple. Oh my days, look at the pop, bro. Oh my, mate. My God, bro, I'm gassed. I'm fucking gassed, mate. Before I show you guys what it looks like in the dark, I'm gonna show you guys like the different options it has. You know, you can do fades, you can do, you know what I'm saying, you can do fade. Oh, it just fades into different colors. You know, that's quite nice. You know what I'm saying? If you want to switch up a bit, do a little different colors. You know, you can do that. Or if you're just feeling a bit edgy, you know what I'm saying, you can do something like this. Basically the same thing. Oh my days, it looks so good, man. I'm actually gassed. It doesn't even look messy as well. Like the only bit is like this bit looks a bit messy. Other than that, it's all right. Like to be honest, like, you can't see no wires by my foot. Like, you can't see it. Like, there's nothing. Legit. And then there's always wires down here, of course. But even back here, like, you can't even see the wires. Like, look, you can see what one wire here. I try my best to hide it. I mean, it's a bit of a struggle. But yeah, like, other than that, I think I've done all right. To be fair. I'll take it. So as you guys can see, it's now dark outside. I'm about to turn the lights on. So we're gonna see what the lights look like in the dark for the first time. Let's have a look at this. 3, 2, 1.
Rise up the ting and bow. We crash on pets, 4-4 in the back, let's ding right round. Slap piece for a techno.
So yeah, that's what the lights are looking like. They're looking pretty sick. I'm not gonna lie. You got the lights down there. We have the lights on the foot pedals, which are looking pretty sick. And I'm liking the way this is looking at the moment. If you do want to try this, I do recommend it. It's pretty cheap to do as well. So it's a pretty cheap and simple mod to do. Anyway, that is it for the video. If you did enjoy this video, make sure you leave a like and subscribe. There's gonna be a lot more stuff happening to this car, and I'm excited to do it. So if you want to join me on the journey, subscribe. Let's try and get 300 subs by the end of the year. And yeah.